So let me summarise. An exponential rule is y equals a to the power of x. So x is in the power, not in the base. And we're specifically talking about positive bases because a negative base does some really weird things. We're not worrying about that. When a equals to 1, we just got a straight line because 1 to the power of x is always 1. When x is 0, it was really useless. We aren't that interested when a is 0 or 1. We're interested in other values. The y-intercept is always 0, 1. And the asymptote is the x-axis, y equals 0. If I put a negative sign in my power, that means I'm going to get a reflection in the y-axis. I'm going to flip it over left to right. If I put a negative sign out the front, I'm going to reflect it across the x-axis. I'm going to flip it top to bottom. And finally, you can always give me one more value on your graph. When x equals 1, or if it's a negative power, when x equals negative 1, then the y-coordinate is equal to the base a. Of course, if there's a negative sign out the front, then it's going to be x equals 1, y equals negative 2 here. And if it was flipped the other way, x equals negative 1, y would be negative 2.